We are talking about the Ozobot Evo. Let's get this guy opened up and let me tell you all about what makes this one of the best STEM toys you can pick up right now.
This is a tiny, fun, amazing robot that your child can literally learn the basic ideas of how to code. It has sensors on the bottom which sense different colors on the paper, and it's able to pick up that color and know and learn the commands. So when we add the color ones, we can tell them which direction we want to go in.
Go! No! Wait. Unicorns ahead! Oh my gosh, just like this much! Oh, I think we're tied.
The Ozobot Evo itself is packed with tech. It's got a hard polycarbonate shell. It's got 7 bright LEDs, micro USB for charging, built-in speaker, built-in Bluetooth. There's a lot going on inside this little guy, and you can even use different skins on it, like the one they included here. Unboxing the Ozobot Evo reveals that they've included a bunch of stuff in the box to help you get up and running in no time.
You can also control this with your smartphone and device when you download the app that goes with it.
The Ozobot Evo connects to your smartphone over Bluetooth. You got the follow mode where it'll follow your finger around. There's a music mode that allows you to tap on the sensors to play different music notes. There's also the Ozo Blockly service, which allows you to go in and customize exactly what you want your Evo to do.
Actual block coding and block coding language.
It's pretty much a cute tiny little robot that makes coding easy and fun.
Fantastic toy. I was very impressed, and my 13-year-old son was impressed as well.